VGR, and in this video we're going to be talking about Etsy. So one of the projects I have for 2018 is starting up my Etsy store and hopefully make some good money on this platform. So if you don't know about Etsy, it's pretty much something similar to, let's say, Amazon and eBay, where people go and you can purchase products. Now the thing with Etsy, it's that most, if not all, of their stuff are handmade, unique, original, and vintage. Alright, so I did sign up for Etsy about a year ago, give or take, but I didn't really do much with it, and I'm actually going to start to do it this year. One of the things I'll be showing you in this video is the whole Printful and Etsy integration. Now before we start, I just want to give you share some stuff about Etsy and why I believe it's such a great platform. So how popular is Etsy? Etsy is ranked worldwide as the 169th most popular website. In the States, it's number 47. So it's up there. So it has a lot of traffic. So another little chart that I think is pretty important is basically the demographic of people that are shopping on Etsy. Overwhelmingly, it's female with college education, and it seems like the browsing location is pretty much either at home or at work. So I've been hearing a lot of people having great success with Etsy, and mainly because of the whole Etsy Printful integration. Alright, so to begin with, we're gonna need to have a Printful account, an Etsy account to do the whole Printful and Etsy integration, which is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. Now, you don't necessarily have to have a Printful account to sell on Etsy, but since most of this, my audience is geared towards, making designs for merchandise, I'm going to definitely be showing you the Printful integration. But if you are a crafty person, if you're a painter, if you do lettering, you can definitely just go on Etsy and sell your creative work there, and don't need to have Printful. But for the sake of this video, we're going to do the Printful Etsy integration. So first thing off, you need to have a Printful account and an Etsy account. So go ahead and sign up for those. After you signed up for your Etsy account and your Printful account, you're ready to go. I'm gonna give you guys a link below where basically I'll show you step by step of how to integrate both platforms together. So once you have your Etsy and Printful account, you'll want to go to the Printful page right here and connect your account. All right, so let's start. So we got our Etsy store. We're gonna go to my Printful stores. Load it up. The thing I really like about Printful is you can integrate it with so many platforms. So you can connect with Shopify, WooCommerce, Big Cartel, ShipStation, and it seems like every year they always add something new. Where my Printful stores, once you do the whole integration, you should have something like this with the E for Etsy. And then just click here, and then you'll be able to add a product. All right, so let's add a product, and you'll see how easy it is to, do this. So we're gonna do a hoodie. Let's get a hoodie. Let's try this gilded. Alright, so right here, we can basically upload our design. I think you can even make a design here. Yeah, you see you can make a design here. You can use, eventually, hopefully they'll be adding clip art. So you can actually go and design on the Printful platform right here. But we're going to upload a design, so you just go to upload file. Once it's uploaded, we'll choose it, and it's right there. Now I'm gonna get maybe a black hoodie, a navy, and yeah, we'll just keep it simple. I don't want to complicate this too much. So you can adjust the sizing here to just make it fit. Let's see if we can center it. Yeah, there we go. Maybe lower it a little. There, let's center it again. I want it maxed out. I think it to be okay if it's big. Okay. All right. So we have our Bitcoin hoodie right there. So we have two colors. Keep it somewhat simple, and let's proceed to mock-up. So we're gonna do this. Go to description. Ideally, you would want to fill it up a bit more. All right, so let's go to pricing. So here you can basically just up either lower or increase your price percentage-wise of how much you might make. Let's bring this up a little bit. So if they get I'll make $12 if they buy a small hoodie, all the way to making $16 if someone buys the 5XL. Right, so submit to store. It will go to the Etsy store. So this is where you'll kind of want to do the final edits, and you'll want to push it, publish it. All right, so it is added. We're gonna need to go to Etsy. Right, so it's added. We're gonna need to go to Etsy to publish it. So right here, now we're on Etsy. As you can see, Printful filled out most of the information here. I'm gonna show you some things you might have to look at, and then we can publish it. All right, so we have some pictures. If you can add some pictures, especially if you can include a model, you can do that. Different angles, stuff like this. So you can add more pictures, adjust your thumbnail. So this is going to be the picture that's going to be front and center. Here we have our title. About this listing, it'll show you who made it. I did it. It's a finished product made to order with Printful. It's in clothing, unisex, hoodie, and I don't know what this one is. Hoodies, let's see, hoodies. I'll just leave it alone. Printful pretty much fills this all out for you, so, which is really amazing. So it tells you what colors they choose. Renewal, I usually put manual. This is a physical product. As you can see, the description is all there. Now I'll usually also just add what it is. Bitcoin hoodie. And this is what you'll need to do because when you start off, you don't have Printful that checked out. So you check Printful because this is the one that's going to be, this is our partner. But if you don't have Printful, make sure you add a new production partner. You'll have to go fill this all up. You might have to look. I don't remember exactly how it is, but I think one of the questions is where is this partner located in? But you make sure you do this. After that, we already did the tags. It's already included in there. The price is already in variation, so it's really like what Printful does is just really amazing. It makes the whole thing a lot easier. If you would have done this by yourself, it would take a lot more time. So then we have the shipping options. And as you can see, it's already selected for garments, hoodie, and we have a flat rate. Preview shipping cost. So destination, I guess, is going to be USA, Canada, 10. So it'll preview what the customer will get charged as per shipping. And from there, you can publish it if you want to, publish it. Let's have a preview of how it looks. Now, if you do decide to publish it, you have to know that you will get charged 20 cents per listing that you're putting up. This is very low, and I believe your product will be up for a couple of months, 3 months. I don't need to remember exactly. I'm kind of new to this. So there we have our product page. Now this is a preview of how it looks. You kind of have to look at it, make sure you like it. Fool around, make sure everything's exactly how you want it. Now, if you do decide to publish it, let's publish it actually. Let's do it. Why not? So there you go. This will cost a non-refundable fee of 20 cents American. Okay, let's publish it. Hopefully it's fine. Now, I'm gonna kind of share something aside from whole Printful and Etsy integration, and share with you my store, my Etsy store. I will be doing the Etsy Printful integration. I'm gonna start loading up some designs and see how it goes. But I actually wanted to share that I'm actually selling vector art. Going back and learning how to design, and I think going back to basics, I'm doing vector artwork. I've been doing really great in the dog niche, so I also did my own vector artwork in there. But now I'm gonna, I'm selling this to the public. So if you are interested in getting into the dog niche, definitely check out some of my vector artwork. So you can use these images for personal and commercial use. So you can actually, I would ideally like for you to create your own designs with these elements, but technically you can just put it up on a t-shirt if you like. So it's $1.99 for a single graphic, and I have for this bundle is $3.99. So have a look and see if you're interested, and let me know if this is something you guys are interested in me doing, is providing some resources for people that are in the print on demand industry.